Did you know your liver is working 24/7 to filter out toxins, process food, and keep your body energized? But here's the scary part. If your liver gets overloaded, it can't do its job properly, leading to fatigue, weight gain, and even serious health problems. The good news: nature has given us some powerful superfoods that can cleanse and detoxify your liver naturally. In this video, we're counting down the top 7 superfoods for liver detox. And trust me, number 1 is something you probably already have in your kitchen, but never knew it could transform your liver health. So stick around till the end. Your liver will thank you. 1. Garlic. Garlic is rich in sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes, helping your body flush out toxins more efficiently. It also contains selenium, a powerful antioxidant that protects the liver from damage. Add 1 to 2 raw or lightly cooked cloves to your meals daily. 2. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and arugula are high in chlorophyll, which helps neutralize heavy metals, chemicals, and pesticides in the bloodstream. They also increase bile production, supporting better digestion and liver cleansing. Try a green smoothie in the morning for a liver-friendly start to your day. 3. Turmeric. This golden spice is a liver's best friend. Curcumin, its active compound, reduces inflammation and helps regenerate liver cells. It also boosts bile flow, making detoxification more efficient. Add a pinch of turmeric to warm milk or tea for daily liver support. 4. Citrus fruits, lemons and grapefruits. Citrus fruits are loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants that stimulate liver detox enzymes. Lemon water in the morning can help flush toxins, while grapefruit boosts liver's fat-burning ability. Drink a glass of warm lemon water on an empty stomach. 5. Beetroot. Beets are rich in betalains and antioxidants that repair liver cells and reduce inflammation. They also improve blood flow and support natural detox. Enjoy beetroot juice or add roasted beets to your salad. 6. Green tea. Packed with catechins, a type of antioxidant, green tea enhances liver function, reduces fat deposits, and protects against toxins. It also supports weight loss, which benefits liver health. Drink 2 to 3 cups daily, but avoid overbrewing to keep the antioxidants intact. 7. Walnuts. Yes, walnuts aren't just good for the brain. They're rich in amino acids like arginine, which supports the liver in detoxifying ammonia. They're also packed with omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. Eat a small handful of raw walnuts as a daily snack. And there you have it, the top 7 superfoods to naturally detoxify your liver. Remember, your liver works tirelessly to keep you healthy, but it also needs your support. By simply adding these superfoods to your daily routine, you can protect your liver, boost your energy, and improve your overall health. So which of these foods will you try first? Garlic, lemon water, or walnuts? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with someone who cares about their health, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Your body deserves the best, and it starts with a healthy liver.